Good morning. This morning I'm going to make a Mexican quiche. Very simple, very easy, very tasty. So let's get started on Darlene's table. Okay, I'm going to start with the cream cheese. That's just 4 ounces of cream cheese. I'm going to put a few eggs in here, but not all of them. I've got a total of 6 eggs. I want to mix this cream cheese . Now, I'm going to put in the packet of taco seasoning. And I'm going to put in, this is not hot. This has a very good flavor and it's not hot. I don't do heat. Not that kind of heat. Not pepper hot heat. So I'll put some of that in there. Yes, I'm a wimp. I am. I admit it. You won't get this perfectly smooth, but it'll be fine. Okay, so now I'm going to add the other 4 eggs. And 3/4 of the milk, cup of milk. Now, everything else is going to be stirred in. So, I'm just having a time of it today, people. I've already sauteed the onion and bell pepper. This is the drained rotel and green chilies. Now I need to taste this to see if it needs any salt. No. Now I'm going to add the cheese. I got to change that recipe too. All right, I'm going to move this to the side. Now, what you see here is I baked the crust, but I had a couple of cracks and I didn't want it going in between. So while it was still hot, I pressed the flour. You see, most of the time it melts right in. You won't even know it's there. If you want to make your own pie crust, I will give you a link in the description. It's called Ruby's No-Fail Pie Crust. Okay, now I'm going to drop in some bacon around the top. A 1/2 pound of ground crumbled cooked hamburger or breakfast sausage like Jimmy Dean would be really good in this as well. Alrighty. So now I'm covering up the edge of my crust because I've already pre-baked it and I don't want it to brown anymore. These silicone rings are great. So easy to use. Now, into the oven at 350 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes until it's set in the center and not real wiggly. Okay, that was 45 minutes for me. Now we're going to let this sit for 10 or 15 minutes and then slice it. Mexican quiche. This quiche is a delightful fusion that marries elegance of French cuisine with the bold and spicy flavors of Mexico. Whether you're serving it for brunch, lunch, or dinner, this dish is sure to impress with its rich and diverse taste profile. Experiment with the ingredients and make it your own, and enjoy the culinary journey that celebrates the best of both worlds. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed the content we provided, please consider liking and subscribing. That keeps us going. So until next time, God bless, and come back to see me again on Darlene's Table.